excellent knowledge of work video and technology, ways to improve it. It is built our common experience and in its own interrupt in the relevance of changes in the industry. Ability to choose the right method and real technique to achieve the best result. Creativities defining the approach to the established production process from the updated component and the opportunity to view it with a different usual look. Stress tolerance. It is the ability to show, retain in their own reaction in relation to the situation or action of employees. Planning your own workflow in relation of efficiency and integrating it into the work of the whole time. Emotional balance. The lack of vivid reaction to what is happening in the regular maintenance of calm on the conflict issue. Develop over time on the ability of emerging situation and capabilities that make it people to evaluate work result, organization of staff work, ability to professionally organize the activity process so that each of life employees clearly understand their task and scope of their effect implementation. It is necessary to regret any employees, unite in every future job, help the difficult work and do not compete with your job. Always think that your future is what will you face, not being superior to others. Characteristic of the work you want to achieve in your life to be success. The good of ethical is to know what is good for each others and for society as whole. Differ in their interpretation of what is virtue and how to discuss complacing personal priorities over the universal. In the universal ethical principles, usual visual situation ethic that state that based on the situation that being good and not because of general law. And whether the virtue is based on act or based on the type of technique by which its result is